Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 10, changed names. Changed name means rename or give a new names. Okay? Over the years, many countries or cities have changed their names. Over the years means over the past few years, many countries or cities have changed their names for different reasons. Many countries or cities may change its name to improve their image and to erase an unpleasant event. Unpleasant event means unlike event or memory in its history. Okay. Now they are known by their new names. Now the countries and cities known by their new names. Their old names are now used only in the history of that country. Now the names of these countries or cities are used only history of that country. Write the old names of the countries or cities whose new names are given below. Okay, look at the first one. First one is Myanmar. Okay, Myanmar is the country and the old name of this country is Burma. Okay, the country's name has been changed from the Burma to the Myanmar in the year 1989. Okay, and this country is located in Southeast Asia. Okay, now the second one, Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City and the old name of this city is Saigon. The old name of this city is Saigon. The city's name has been changed from the Saigon to the Ho Chi Minh City in the year 1975. Okay, and it is the largest city of Vietnam and it is located southeastern region of Vietnam. Vietnam is the country and it is the largest city of Vietnam. Okay. Now the third one, St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is the city and the old name of the city is Leningrad. Okay, Leningrad. The city's name has been changed from the Leningrad to the St. Petersburg in the year 1924. Okay, and it is the Russia's second largest city and it is located in northwest of Russia. Okay, now the third one. Now the fourth one, Malawi. Malawi is the country and the old name of this country is Nyasaland. Okay, the old name of this country is Nyasaland. The country's name has been changed from the Nyasaland to the Malawi in the year 1964. Okay, and this country is located in southern Africa. Now the next one. Next one is Thailand. Okay, and this is the country and the old name of this country is Siam. Okay, Siam. The country's name has been changed from the Siam to the Thailand in the year 1939. Okay, and this country is located in Southeast Asia. Okay, now the next one. Next one is Harare. Harare is the city. Okay, and the old name of this city is Salisbury. Okay, and the old name of the city is Salisbury. The city's name has been changed from the Salisbury to the Harare in the year 1982. Okay, now the next one, Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the country and the old name of this country is Abyssinia. Okay, the old name of this country is Abyssinia. The country's name has been changed from the Abyssinia to the Ethiopia in the year 1945. Okay, and Ethiopia is located in the Horn of Africa. Now the next one. Next one is Taiwan. Okay, Taiwan is the country and the old name of this country is Formosa. The old name of this country is Formosa. The country's name has been changed from the Formosa to the Taiwan in the year 1962. Okay, and this country is located in East Asia. Now the next one. Next one is Zaire. Okay, Zaire is the country and the old name of this country is Congo. The old name of this country is Congo. The country's name has been changed from the Congo to the Zaire in the year 1964. Okay, and this country is located in Central Africa. Now the next one. Next one is Zimbabwe. Okay, Zimbabwe is the country. Okay, and the old name of this country is Rhodesia. Okay, the country's name has been changed from the Rhodesia to the Zimbabwe in the year 1979. Okay, and this country is located in Southern Africa. Now the next one is Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is the country and the old name of this country is Ceylon. Okay, Ceylon. The country's name has been changed from the Ceylon to the Sri Lanka in the year 1972. Okay, and Sri Lanka is an island country in the South Asia. Okay, now the next one is Ghana. Okay, Ghana is the country and the old name of this country is Gold Coast. Okay, the country's name has been changed from the Gold Coast to the Ghana in the year 1957. Okay, and this country is located in Western Africa. Now the next one is Iran. Iran is the country and the old name of this country is Persia. Okay, Persia. The country's name has been changed from the Persia to the Iran in the year 1935. Okay, and Iran is located in West Asia. Okay, now the next one is Beijing. Beijing is the city. Okay, and the old name of the Beijing is Peking. Okay, Peking. The old name of this city is Peking. The city's name has been changed from the Peking to the Beijing in the year 1958. Okay, and it is the capital of China. Beijing is the capital of China. China is the country. Okay, and Beijing is located in the North China. Okay, now the last one is Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands is the country and the old name of this country is Holland. Okay, old name of this country is Holland. The country's name has been changed from the Holland to the Netherlands in the year 1815. Okay, and Netherlands is located in northwestern Europe. Okay, I hope you all are understood this chapter. Try to learn this chapter. Okay, do practice at home. Okay students, now we are move on our next chapter number 11, autobiographies. What do you mean by autobiographies? An autobiography is a self-written account of the life of oneself. An autobiography is the story of a person's life as told by that person. Okay, and the subject of the story is also the author. Okay, autobiography is one type of biography which tells a life story of its author. What do you mean by author? Author means a writer of a book, है ना, जो book लिखते हैं ना, that we known as author. Okay, meaning it is a written record of the author life. It is the written record of the author's life. Okay, means Atmakatha. Okay, recognize these personalities by the autobiographies they have written. Okay, look at the first one. Dreams from my father. Dreams from my father, an autobiography is written by this person. Who is he? He is Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Dreams from my father, an autobiography is written by Barack Obama. He is an American politician and the former president of United States of America. Okay. Now the second one, the diary of a young girl. The diary of a young girl, an autobiography is written by this person. Who is she? She is Annie Frank. Okay, the diary of a young girl, an autobiography is also known as the diary of a Annie Frank. Okay, she wrote in her diary when she was just 13 years old. Okay, now the third one, the taste of my life. The taste of my life in an autobiography is written by this person. Do you all know now? Who is he? Yes, he is a famous Indian cricketer. Okay, who is he? He is Yuvraj Singh. The taste of my life, an autobiography is written by Yuvraj Singh. Okay, now the next one. Next one is Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire, an autobiography is written by this person. Who is he? He is very famous scientist. Okay, and former president of India. Who is he? He is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, The Wings of Fire, an autobiography, is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and we also known as Missile Man. Okay. Now the next one, The Race of My Life. The Race of My Life, an autobiography, is written by this person. Who is he? He is Milkha Singh. The Race of My Life, an autobiography, is written by Milkha Singh. नाम सुना आपने, मूवी देखी होगी ना, भाग मिल्खा भाग. Yes, the film भाग मिल्खा भाग is based on the life of Milkha Singh. He is an Indian athlete. Athlete means runner. Okay, भाग मिल्खा भाग is based on the life of Milkha Singh. Okay, now the next one, Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom, an autobiography, is written by this person. Who is he? He is Nelson Mandela. Yes, Long Walk to Freedom, an autobiography, is written by Nelson Mandela. He is the former president of South Africa. Okay, now the next one. Next one is Akhada the Authorized. Akhada the Authorized, the biography of Mahavir Singh Fogart. The Akhada the Authorized, an autobiography, is written by Mahavir Singh Fogart. आप सभी ने मूवी देखी दंगल? Yes, the दंगल मूवी is based on Fogart's life, है ना. दंगल मूवी is based on Fogart's journey with his daughter. Okay, he is an Indian wrestler. Wrestler means fighter. Okay, now the next one, Khullam Khulla. Khullam Khulla, an autobiography, is written by this person. Do you all know na this person? Who is he? He is Rishi Kapoor. Yes, Khullam Khulla, an autobiography, is written by Rishi Kapoor. Okay, he is the famous Indian actor known for his work in Hindi film. Okay, now the last one, Playing It My Way. Playing It My Way is written by an autobiography, is written by this person. Do you all know na who is he? Yes, he is a very famous Indian cricketer. Who is he? He is Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, Playing It My Way, an autobiography of the legend personality in the cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, I hope you all are understood this chapter. Try to learn this chapter. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe.